The Kawasaki Ninja 400 isn't built for speed or power. Because sometimes the best bike isn't the quickest. It's the one you have the most fun.
Welcome back, and today we're shooting a Kawasaki Ninja 400 in the beautiful scenery of the Albury Australian Hume Weir. It is honestly absolutely magnificent because it is in the time of May where the beautiful bright orange leaves are falling off the tree. So if you stick around long enough, I hope you enjoy.
On a cold, brisk morning, the world sits still. Then, the Kawasaki Ninja 400 comes alive. And before you even realize, you're not just riding, you're part of it.
So currently what we're doing, we found this really nice set of trees. So Cooper's gonna come down this street. Hopefully no one minds that I'm standing in the middle of the road. Here we go, baby! So much better. I reckon that's alright like that. Just so much better this lens. Dude. You can hop on it, can't you? It looked good with you on it. This looks so good. I'll get some back shots. Dude, it looks so good, and side shots. This will look so good. I'll blend all those photos and it will come out like amazing. With an edit, these are gonna look crazy.
Oh, they're gonna look so fucking weird.
Yeah. What a fucking good spot we have. Literally so much light, which is key when you... Meanwhile... I love it. Do it again. Yo, yeah. That's the bucket shot right there. Take pictures of the paint job. the only problem we're facing right now is trying to get there before sunset. But it's a Wednesday afternoon at 5 o'clock. So a lot of people are probably clocking off from their work. I hope, what do I hope? I don't hope anything because I know this will go phenomenal.
I didn't even hear that car. Yeah. That looks sick. Turn your steering wheel that way. Damn. Hopefully I can get back up here round 2. I nearly fell last time. Can you line yourself with me? I don't know if you can see in the GoPro, but there's a road behind people. You can't come into the middle of the road, can you? Oh my god. Gonna go on the side of a cliff to get this shot. It's worth it. Stay on it for a second. It looks good, yeah. Hop off now. Oh, beautiful. Oh, mashallah. I was gonna say. Getting the flare of the lights as well was nice. Pub feed?
I'm happy to do a pub feed.
I'm happy to do a pub feed.
Pub feed sounds good.
Let's go, baby!
So we went to have a pub feed and we got 2 palmies. Dig in, Cooper.
Yummy.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Now, like this. Yes. Dude. Oh, this. What I'm gonna do? That slaps.
Now we're heading to the petrol station.
Random shit. Half a tank of fuel. And can you act like you're going like full? Ding dong, ding ding dong.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. It has been such a long time since I've posted, but stick around because there's definitely more similar like this coming out. Love you, peace, bye, stay 100 and enjoy the next video. I'm definitely out of focus.